Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Arlene. Today I'm going to be reviewing a little makeup cart, but let's go and get right into this. Okay, so this is what the little cart looks like. So it did come with these extra screws, and this was the assembly instructions. Super easy to put together. So it has these storages up there, this area right here. It has that shelf, 2 drawers, and then the bottom shelf, and it does have these rollers that you can lock as well. I'm actually going to use this for my kids' homeschooling stuff, but I'm going to show you what it looks like if you were to put like makeup brushes and your palettes and everything in there, if you do want to use it for that. Okay, so this is just to give you a little idea. I didn't like overfill it or anything. The drawers, like I didn't even put that much, and you can see the drawers go pretty far back. I just put a few palettes in there just to kind of give you an idea. Put some nail polishes, some creams, some blushes. So you could actually fit a lot of stuff on this. Super cute. I really do like it. So this is personally the way that I'm going to use it for school supplies, because I do homeschool. And so I'm actually able to fit a lot of things in here so that my kids are prepared for school. But yeah, that completes this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. God bless.